Patrolling our highway to make sure that the goods that we carry on our highway is cleared first place. We had speculations that maybe this lorry was carrying ethanol, which we have since confirmed is not there. But our continued vigilance will be there to make sure that what's carried on our way is illegal. On opening it, we found it carrying copper wires. Our keen interest to make sure that we know, first of all, we establish that what the lorry is carrying is customed goods, number one. Number two, that the consignment is legal, that it has been cleared from the neighboring country, and that none of the consignment is from our country. None of the consignment is from Kenya. The driver of the lorry is in police custody, and he'll only be cleared once the customs department is sure that this is a consignment that has been cleared.